yogis, hello again. My name is Ivorie. I am a yoga teacher and I'm here today with Desire Company. Urdhva, Mukha, Svanasana, upward facing dog. So let's stack two hands, doesn't matter which one, but stack two hands and let your forehead rest on your hands. The toenails press down, kneecaps lift, and I want you to also take one cycle of breath there with the legs really active. And then I want you to lift your legs up off of the floor to the sky. You're still doing all those actions, pubic bone down, belly button up, tailbone to the heels, backs of the knees are lengthening. One more breath, lift them up higher, and then lower down. Hands under your shoulders, press yourself up to all fours. Let's come to downward facing dog. If you've got the blocks, we'll do down dog on the blocks. So take your blocks, tuck the toes, lift the hips up and back. From here, let's come to plank pose. Good. Pause here in your plank pose. Good. And then let's drop the knees down, and you're going to untuck the toes. And then from here, you're going to start to pull your hips through, so that the pelvis is going to pull forward and open your chest. Your knees are still down on the floor. Now work your arms. So the legs aren't involved yet. We're just working the arms. Press the hands down. Sides of the neck get long. Shoulder blades pull down your back, and your shoulders are like your best friend's hands pressing your heart forward. Okay, one more breath. Let your heart lead the way. And then come back to all fours and rest. Once again, downward facing dog. So down dog, let's come to plank pose. From plank, yogis, I want you to flip onto the tops of your feet here. You're gonna drop your hips, maybe halfway, and then drag your hips and your feet forward. I'm actually dragging my mat forward, you can feel. Now do that action of flicking the toes down, lifting the kneecaps up. Now press the hands down into the blocks, pull the shoulder blades down, and then let your heart reach forward as your tailbone reaches back. One more deep breath in, pull the heart through, legs are strong. Flip the toes, downward facing dog. Take an inhale, all the air out, exhale, and then rest, come down to the knees. So most important things to note about the downward or the upward facing dog, legs have to work. Okay, thighs and knees off the mat when you're in your upward facing dog. Thank you, yogis.